In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export deals from HubSpot. We'll walk through the process from logging in all the way to downloading a clean, customized export of your deal data. Follow along in your own HubSpot account if you can, so each step feels familiar. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, find the CRM icon. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, click on Deals. This will open the Deals page, where you can see all the deals currently in your pipeline. Before you export anything, it's a good idea to narrow down exactly what you want to include. At the top of the Deals page, click on Filters. HubSpot gives you useful filter options such as Deal Owner, Create Date, Last Activity Date, and Close Date. Click on any of these to see the specific filter settings available for that category. For example, you might want to export only deals created this month or only deals owned by a specific team member. Apply the filters that best match the data you need. This step helps keep your export focused and easier to use later. Once your filters are set and you're happy with the list of deals on your screen, look to the top right corner and find the Export button. Click Export, and a pop-up window will appear with several options. In this pop-up, you can first edit the export name. Giving your file a clear, descriptive name, like Q1 Closed Deals or Open Deals by Owner, will make it much easier to find and understand later. Next, choose the file format you want to export to. Typically, you'll select a spreadsheet-friendly format so you can open it in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. You can also choose the language of the column headers. Pick the language that matches how you and your team work, especially if you share this file with others. If you want more control over what's included, click Customize. Here you can choose which properties to include. You can export all properties on the records or all properties and all associations on the records, depending on how detailed you want your file to be. You'll also see options for associations included in the export. If you'd like to include the names of associated records, such as companies or contacts, check the box for including the associated record name. Then decide how many associated records you want per column. You can include up to 1,000 associated records in each association column, or choose to include all associated records. Keep in mind that including everything might make your file larger and more complex, so pick what's most useful for your analysis. Once you've finished setting all these options, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up and click Export. HubSpot will prepare your file, and depending on your settings and the amount of data, it will either download directly or be sent to you, ready to open in your preferred spreadsheet tool, and that's it. You've successfully exported deals from HubSpot with filters and settings tailored to your needs.